Build your own 20 million revenue ecosystem. Hello everyone, Christina here. Do not buy any property, build the ecosystem that buys them for you. How do you hit 20 million a year in 30 days? You stop chasing, you start compounding. Most people chase deals, capital, and clients. Top 1% build the machine that brings all three. Step 1 Segmentation 52-week state to county to zip code on the map. Step 2 Identity AMME builds your top 1% profile, you become valet. Step 3 Wrote 1,000 emails daily, dear flow, or 50 states. Step 4 Compound clients bring deals, deals bring capital, capital bring clients. That loop is 20 million minimal in a year. The secret behind it is 997 Universal Ecosystem 30-day in-try passport. Experience AMME power. AMME service you does not give you a template. It finds your path, then routes the ecosystem to you. Build it once, get paid for decades. If you don't have a 997 universal passport, connect with us directly. If you want to learn more about our off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem, powered by advanced AI technology, you are welcome to join Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group Session 36. Session 36 will be held on June 15, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. We will release 500 passports and we have 2 rooms, 997, 497 by deal size. We release hot deals in your market, your state, your county, and your zip code. Don't miss. Mark your calendar. Get your coffee time passport. Welcome to join CEO CRO Community of Excellence of Market Multifamily Deal Mansion, Capital Mansion, Top 1% Client Acquisition. You are welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel Christina Melody Group. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any new deal job, new business opportunity, and our ecosystem daily upgrade and update news. You are welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group every single day and celebrate with us together. Thank you and welcome.